Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into an exciting topic, the BRICS currency and how you can potentially invest in it. With the global financial landscape changing, BRICS, the alliance of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, has proposed a new currency that aims to challenge the dominance of the US dollar. But how can you get involved, and is it worth the risk? Let's break it down. 1. What is the BRICS currency? The BRICS currency, still in its early stages, is a proposed unified currency for the BRICS nations. These countries are major emerging economies and have been discussing ways to reduce reliance on the US dollar for international trade. The idea is to create a stable and strong currency backed by these nations' vast reserves of natural resources like gold, oil, and gas. Why does this matter? A unified BRICS currency could offer an alternative to traditional investments, making it an interesting option for investors looking for diversification. 2. Why consider investing in BRICS currency? Investing in the BRICS currency could provide a hedge against currency devaluation, especially if you're concerned about the volatility of traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar. With BRICS nations accounting for over 40% of the world's population and significant portions of global GDP, this new currency could represent a powerful economic force. But there's more. As BRICS countries strengthen their trade agreements, the demand for this currency might increase, potentially driving its value up. So, early investors could stand to benefit if the currency gains traction. 3. How to invest in the BRICS currency. Now, let's get into the how of investing. Since the BRICS currency is not yet officially launched, direct investment isn't possible right now. However, there are ways you can prepare and position yourself. Invest in BRICS ETFs, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, focused on BRICS nations can give you exposure to the economies behind the new currency. By investing in BRICS ETFs, you essentially invest in the major industries of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Buy gold and other commodities. Since the BRICS currency might be backed by commodities, investing in gold, oil, and other resources could be a good strategy. Commodities typically perform well when there is uncertainty in global financial markets. Diversify with emerging market currencies. Consider holding a basket of emerging market currencies, including those of the BRICS nations. This could help you gain indirect exposure and hedge against the volatility of established currencies. 4. Risks and considerations. While investing in the BRICS currency might sound promising, it's crucial to consider the risks. The BRICS currency project is still in its infancy and faces challenges like political disagreements, regulatory hurdles, and potential resistance from established financial systems. Moreover, emerging market investments can be volatile, and you should be prepared for fluctuations in value. Before diving in, it's wise to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor.